Hi, it's me, JeGaysus. Your homosexual Christ. I'm doing something different. Can you blame me? No, so actually I got a box from ColourPop. I bought these. This is not an ad. It says fragile. Is it? Is it really fragile? Is it fragile like my heart? Answer me that. I was like, you know what? I do unboxing videos for my wish list all the time, but I never unbox something I bought myself. So I already know what's in here. I say that, but it's not true because I totally forgot. How do you lock just the exposure without the focus? Does anybody know? Anyway, let's unbox this. I'm gonna tag the products here. That's one of the reasons. Well, firstly, I love ColourPop. I've for years, all I have is like ColourPop. People are always asking me, what eyeshadow is that? ColourPop. Like, even if I had the money to be spending like $200 on Natasha Leona or whatever her name is, I would never. It's gonna be like a fun game. I'm gonna unbox this. Maybe we'll do this on live next time I buy makeup. I spend like $100 occasionally on a makeup haul from ColourPop because all the makeup that I'm about to pull out, $100 or less. And I'm gonna tag them here. But you can let me know what look should we do. Please tell me in the comments. Drop them below. Also, what was that sound? Also give me recs for story times, because we can do a story time get ready with me. Maybe we'll do it live, maybe do it recorded. Ask me questions about what you want to know. If you haven't seen my others, I'm trying to do more like makeup tutorials, because people keep on asking for them, and hair tutorials. Welcome to the box. It's midnight. I just really wanted to see what's in here. We might not even post this. Who knows? Firstly, Lippies. They're so useful when you're doing your makeup. Oh my god. I got way more than I thought. Okay, we're not gonna hold the box like that this whole time. One thing I love about ColourPop is things go in and out of sale because they cannot keep the same thing. Palette. You're right at the top. Can you see that? I have to turn it off and start it again because the lock is gonna destroy everything. Yeah, okay, 1 second. Okay, let's see, this autofocuses now. So we're gonna go cinematic mode, but look at palette, go getter. Ooh, yeah. Adorbs. I don't know if like the colors are picking up. So what I was saying is like one of the good things about ColourPop is they literally go on sale all the time because makeup is like seasonal or something, I guess. So check the prices. That's the other thing with my Amazon storefront. If it's on my makeup list, it's gonna be affordable. If it's not, let me know because somebody raised the price. But usually I put on like sales, anything I can find that's cheap. So if you go to my bio and go to my link tree, sale items, I'm cheap. Rhinestones, babe, because hello, rhinestones. I got this. It's a body blending sponge from their Soul line. An oversized reusable that blends and buffs. I did not know it was this big. In the picture, I thought it was just like a flat sponge. And I was like, I've never seen one. I've never seen a flat sponge like that. So I ordered it. I didn't realize it was a body makeup sponge. I don't even wear body makeup. Christ. Jump Turn Supershock Shadow. Can you see the color? Bright ass purple. If you know me, you know I love some purple. Ooh. Love ya bunch. Supershock Trio. You hear them? So just like that other Supershock, those are usually like $10 each. I think that was the cost of this whole thing. Don't quote me. This is from Jasmine. She did a line. Everyone tag ColourPop because I want to do my own makeup line with them. They're rose golds. We're gonna have to do like a swatch video too. It's too late to do it right now, but it's like gold, rose, etc. I got actually a lot of Jasmine's cute little line. Like she also has So Dangerous, if you know, Lux lipstick and a Lippie pencil in a kit. So dangerous. Oh my god, we're not gonna really get through this all without my phone dying. Let's see what the color is. It's like a pink. I just had to jump in. Wow. I don't even use lipstick, but that is a shade, babe. I'm excited for this. Actually, I'm gonna start wearing more lipsticks. Lux Liquid Lipstick. Okay, we're gonna just keep going. We're just not gonna wait for it. So glossy. Liquid gloss. Look at this. Just some black gel eyeliner. Color is called Swerve. Cool. This is Creme Gel Liner. What color is it? Oh, it's a rose pink. The stuff is so shiny. I can't even read what that says. Overboard. We got Lux Liquid Lipstick in Honey Pie. Glossy Lip-stain. Ooh. Oh my god. Glowing Lip Peeps. Little peeps, guys. Like I said, seasonal. Like, this is obviously Easter, so they're like, goodbye. This is what gave me the idea. I also got an entire High School Musical set, and I didn't record it, even though I bought the entire pack. One thing it didn't come with was the lips, though. Look at High School Musical lipstick. Is it that pink? We're gonna find out. I'm like sweating. The air has been off for 2 hours, and I completely didn't want to turn it on. I was like, I'm gonna sit down and do this unboxing, and I forgot how much crap I got. Wildcat, again, High School Musical theme, babe. Gel liner, more liners. Plum Smash from the BFF line. Another gel liner. Meet your new BFF. I love their packaging. This one is Outer Space. You have to open it because the packaging's not telling me what color it is. Oh, it's like blue. So you can see what their liners look like. Ew. Oh wow. This is an 18-hour liner. I didn't finish that one dark. No, it's okay. I just bought a new makeup remover. And then we have more. Oh my god, we have Kicker and Be My Baby. Oh my god. Fire Engine Metallic Red. My eyeliner game is gonna be freaking sick. Yeah, it's like so hot, I feel like I'm gonna pass out. Oh yeah. I have a makeup problem, I think. Ooh, Serum Blush. I've never used a serum for blush before. I've always used cream powders, but never a serum. Windmill. Why did I get 2 windmills? I got 2. I don't know if I ordered 2. Supershock highlighter. Oh, I think it comes in 2. One is like an orangey color and one is like a yellowy color. Why they put it in its own little thing, I do not know. Can you believe we're still going? Yeah, see, so I had a second one. Supershock Duo, Snitchery and ColourPop. You know what Snitchery and ColourPop is? I actually love the duos. For some reason I thought this was Harry Potter related. Oh my god, last item. We've only been recording for like 15 minutes and it feels like an hour. Are you ready? Play It Jewel. Look at all the colors. Oh my god. These are all jewel tones. They're, I think, all shimmers. No, there's a couple of mattes in there. Like, these are mattes right here. But like these blues and these purples. Breathe, JeGaysus. God, we saved it for last because it's my favorite. So now that it's midnight, I'm gonna go try to read, because that's what I usually do at midnight. And I was gonna feel really bad if I didn't at least try an unboxing, even if we don't post it. But I wanna say shout out to all my patrons. You're here and or in the description. And most of these, if I can find them, will be linked right here in the video. So check it out if you also wanna get the sales. Check out my link in my bio. If you have any questions for me, you can always ask me on my forum. Questions are always free. It's just 5.me/JeGaysus. And if you want to join there, you can always read through other people's questions too, and you get unlimited of those. So, comment and let me know what looks we're gonna combine. Obviously, we're going some purples. Like, I got purple nails going. This lipstick, it's so cool. And then comment what story times you want me to do while I do the get ready with me. I still have more things coming. We are in the middle of like a new series with my mom, talking about what it's like from her end to have a gay kid. And then we're gonna have more 101 questions. And we are starting to learn OBS. So I actually have somebody helping me out with that. And we are gonna start doing game night lives. Yeah, am I dropping things? I am. Do I keep my makeup in my bedroom? I don't. Am I trying to move it while I'm recording? I am. Is that a bad idea? Also, probably not. I was gonna show the camera. Look at all this stuff we got. I can't even fit it all on camera. We got stickers. We got another highlighter palette. We got this really cool palette. And then we got Lippie's. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, like, what did I drop? Oh yeah, we got the big ass body sponge then. I'll see you later. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. And anything you buy is eligible for commissions. So by purchasing like one of these cheap things on sale, you also help my channel, and the money does not go to YouTube. It's split between me and ColourPop, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, so just know that like I'm not getting paid to say any of this, but you can help me out. And I love you so much when you do, because as a full-time creator, support literally means everything to me. Every time someone sends one of the gifts, or joins my Patreon, or just sends like a thank you tip, or buys one of these products, it makes me be able to eat food. Could I get any closer to the camera? So dangerous. Okay, bye.